So guys, there's a lot of places to go to get touristy stuff, but I suggest you come to the stadium at the swap meet here. You find everything you can find in the other places, but a lot better prices. So let's take a quick look around and see what we see, shall we?
Is it?
I love the colors.
Thank you. They all look
Great.
Fine.
Hello, you got some really nice stuff.
Okay.
It's almost closing time, right?
Are you coming up with something that
Oh, look at the funnel cakes. All sorts of food over here. Pineapple. Got some shave ice. Ice. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to shut down here. But so what I suggest to you is to come in earlier. They open at 8 o'clock in the morning, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Come too late, they start shutting things down on you. They're supposed to close at 3, but as you can see, Budweiser. New beer.
That's funny.
That's neat. That's a neat idea for stickers. Bamboo stickers, nice. And all the temporary tattoos you can ever want.
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
We're talking really good deals. You can get a t-shirt for $12 or you can get a t-shirt for $6. I got a t-shirt for $4. Where everyone else is selling them for $20. This is the same stuff you can find at the other places, but look at the prices.
You got the
Really good deals here. Hello. Cute dog.
guys. I'm like trying wine and tropical tea, and it's really good.
Look at this color.
But it's probably going to be very expensive. So. I thought I couldn't find to see what the price, but they were busy trying to sell it to.
Try to catch up to Ma. Ooh, some really cool stuff in here. The bird.
Aloha.
Hello, huh? Getting that time of day, huh? Closing time.
Yes, starting.
Oh, it's all good. More bird.
Years, when I realized that the park was closing in a couple of minutes. Luckily, no one noticed.
There you go. Yeah, all the different things you put your name on. Wow. Little bracelets. Hats, flip-flops. Basically everything you can find in a tourist shop, you can find here. From high-end stuff to low-end stuff, but really good prices. Hello. It's good. How are you?
Okay, getting some feeding here now.
Yeah, sun time. And also closing time. There you go. You'll be gone soon. What you looking at?
The candies are $10.
Chocolate. Yum.
Yum. Want to buy the box? It's $48 or might have more specials.
6 for 25.
I'm going to try to catch up tomorrow. Hopefully you will too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're all good?
More good.
All right. Let's go find Ma. Oh, she's looking at dresses. Oh, by the way, this goes all the way around the stadium. So it's huge. It's absolutely massive. Where else can you find tiki stuff like this? Look at this. Aloha. Please remove your shoes. Ooh. Get some hand art done. Nice. Custom made signs? That's not bad. Someone's heading out of here. Some ukuleles and guitars. Some unique shapes. I like this. Yeah, that's fun. Have a good day. Oh, golf apparel if you like golf and cell phone stuff. Lots of jewelry. Right, Ma? You want to play golf?
Hey,
Hello. Nice stuff.
thank you. These are all originals. This guy built us all the artwork.
Nice.
So you won't find them anywhere else.
That looks great.
His designs on the golf balls, the ball markers, the golf towels, the golf shirts.
They're nice.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, I'm not in the market right now, but I really do like it. I like the design, so thank you for being here.
The only thing that's not is the signs of the hats.
Oh yeah. Cool.
You want to take a card?
Sure.
Future use?
Sure, why not? Thank you very much. Alright, I think I've lost both of my... and... Let's go. No. 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 Oh, there she is. I found my mom. You probably found her before I did. More these ladies. More jewelry. Ooh, some really nice carving. Look at this stuff. Oh, very impressive.
Thank you.
Maui's hook. Nice. I like the buddy turtles. That's fun.
Yeah, it's cool. Some of the pieces too. What's really awesome.
Well, I hope you had a great day.
Yeah, you too. Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. As you can see, they're closing things up pretty quickly now. So that's why I suggest you come in early rather than late. And there's washrooms all, so you can get to the washrooms in the stadium and around the stadium. So there's lots of washrooms. Closing up. You're all closing up. Oh, God, I'm gonna get early. And stickers seems to be a big thing. Don't know why, but they do sell a lot of stickers here. Wine holders, that's nice. All the turtles. Turtle. A wahoo turtle. Nice. Maui's hook with the web. That's nice. She's back there somewhere. It's alright. We're doing good.
Yeah, I saw a pair of pants I was looking for.
Did you buy them? No. Don't do that. Don't say $75. No.
Okay, let's go for it.
It's the right socket, right?
Can I find what I want?
So you see their big sale t-shirts, 6 for $2. Tank tops. Lots of jewelry, lots of rings.
I think it will hold that.
Lots of dresses. Aloha. Really nice looking stuff.
Thank you.
Packing up, ready to go, right?
Slow down. No customers. And soon to be the closing at 3 o'clock is already gone.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone was gone at 3. So remember that. Gone at 3 o'clock. Aloha.
Yeah.
Okay.
YouTuber?
Yeah,
Yeah. From where?
I'm from Canada, but at 360 Jimi. Cheers. Well, guys, that being said, at the stadium marketplace, it's getting close to 3 o'clock. They're packing up. As you can look around, they're done. So get here early, or else you're gonna miss out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, hopefully Lise will catch up. Here she comes. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
Bye. Aloha.
Don't get run over.